Hey everybody, David Fine here from Watch Your Lip, guys. Today we are going to be going over a knot. It's very special. I use it all the time. How to splice wire to monofilament. And so here I've got a hook that I have haywire twisted onto a wire leader. And a lot of times I don't use big long wire leaders. I just want like 4 or 5 inches right up on this top of the hook, because toothy critters, you know, they're not swallowing 3 feet up the line. So you just have to have a little bit of, you know, especially when you're dealing with leader shy fish like mackerel. Sometimes they can be leader shy. You don't want a whole lot of wire. So I have my hook. I've got some wire here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to splice my monofilament leader material to my wire. So what I'll do, I'll take my wire, and then I'm gonna bend about a 4-inch piece of my wire, and then I make a little loop in my wire at the end here. You see that? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my monofilament, and I am gonna go through that wire loop. All right. I'm gonna take a considerable amount of it out through, and then I'm going to twist it around about 4 or 5 times. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm going to now come back through this loop. Now the line is going, let's say the line is going down in through this loop right here. I'm going to go the opposite direction. So I'm going to go out the other way through the wire loop, and then I'm going to pull tight. Okay. And it clinches down really nice. And we have a beautiful splice, guys. Let's see if I can show you this to you. That thing is nice and tight. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. And I'm just going to take my pliers, because I don't feel like hooking myself, and I'm going to just clench this down a little bit better. Just make sure. And now I just have to cut my tag ends off, and I have my splice. You can cut this as close as you want it. Now, whenever you're cutting wire tags, make sure you're holding the tag, because when you cut it, sometimes it snaps and it goes flying and you don't know where it is. And trust me, you do not want this to be in the carpet and step on this, because it will go through your foot. Or if it goes through your wife's foot, then you're in real trouble. So I've never had that happen. I just would assume you get in a lot of trouble. So I'm going to cut my other tag end off here. And I am done with this knot. Guys, check that out. That is how we splice wire to mono. And I've caught countless fish on this knot. And that knot right there, this is my leader. I'm gonna go off the beach. We can fish for barracuda, sharks, whatever, anything with teeth. Kingfish, king mackerel, wahoo. That's a live bait rig that we can use, and it's a fantastic knot. Guys, check out my full-length video on making my stinger rig out of wire when we go beach fishing, when we fish for barracuda and sharks. That's another video. So guys, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, basically, we are ready to go and catch a toothy critter from the beach or wherever you're fishing from. Take care, guys. Watch your lip.